We had a storm last night and we did take out the fridge here because we went out of power for 12 hours something, and everything is laying like this last day here. Much debris. Yeah, so the storm started here yesterday, 27th of December, and it did go on for 12 hours something. And many houses here in Finland went powerless, and they are still out of power. We went off power 7 o'clock at night, and we got it back like the next morning today, 8 o'clock something. And by now there is many people still that haven't got their power back. So this has flown out of the trees there. Pretty long way. This poor shithouse did not make it. It was blowing too hard. Fräcko får arbeta med snön, men jag får hålla på med det då. If you like snow removal videos, go and check out a YouTube channel named MS Fräcko or Fräcko. He's a guy in northern Sweden, Kiruna, and he is doing snow removals almost every day. Yeah, as you see here, we have not any snow, and normally this time of the year in western part of Finland we have maybe 10 or 20 centimeters of snow already, but not this year. No. This was just a short video about the storm we had here in Finland. Thanks for watching.